Welcome to Lightspeed Voice. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start using the Grandstream GRP2624 desk phone, from setup and connection to voicemail and advanced call features. Let's get started. We'll start by connecting the handset. Make sure you plug the coiled cord into the port labeled with the handset icon, not the headset port. It's a small but important distinction. You can connect a wired headset using the RJ9 headset jack on the back of the phone. Once plugged in, just press the headset button to start using it. Now take the Ethernet cable and connect one end to the port for LAN on the back of the phone. It's the one without the PC icon. Plug the other end into your network wall jack or switch. If you need to connect a computer at your desk as well, this is where you'll use the PC port to daisy chain your connection. Just plug a second Ethernet cable from the PC port into your computer's Ethernet port. If your network supports power over Ethernet, your phone will power on automatically. If not, use the included power adapter. Be sure to only use the power supply that came with your phone. Using any other adapter, even if it fits, can void your warranty and cause damage. Once everything's connected, your phone will boot up automatically and register with the Lightspeed voice system. When your name appears on the screen, you're ready to go. To place a call, you have a few options. You can lift the handset, press the speakerphone button, or use a connected headset. Once you hear a dial tone, simply enter the number you want to call. When someone calls your extension, your phone will ring and their caller ID will appear on the screen. To answer, pick up the handset, press the answer soft key, or tap the speakerphone button. If you want to use the speakerphone, press the speaker icon either before dialing or while the phone is ringing. This activates the phone's built-in speaker and mic so you can talk hands-free. You can switch from speaker to handset or headset at any point during the call without disconnecting. Just below the screen, you'll find the phone's soft keys. These buttons change based on what's happening on the phone and give you quick access to important functions. When the phone is idle, the soft keys typically show options like History, GenVM, Redial, and Features. The Features soft key is especially useful. This is where you can enable or disable Do Not Disturb, also known as DND. When DND is turned on, you'll see a Do Not Disturb icon appear on your screen.
Do Not Disturb activated.
And your phone won't ring for incoming calls. You can return to the Features menu anytime to turn it off. Use the navigation wheel to move through any menus or list and press the center button to select an option. To the left of the display, you'll notice a row of programmable buttons. These can be set up as BLF or busy lamp field keys, allowing you to see if coworkers are on a call or available. A green light means they're free. A red light means that they're currently on a call. You can press these buttons to call the person directly or pick up their ringing line if unavailable. Call parking is a great way to place a call on hold and pick it up from another phone. While on a call, press the park button in the upper right.
9001.
The system will tell you where the call has been parked. At Lightspeed Voice, by default, you should have at least 2 parking spots on your BLF buttons for spots 9001 and 9002. So if the phone says 9001 when you park the call, that's the number of the parking space your call is waiting. And you or someone else can either press the corresponding BLF key on any phone or the number to retrieve the call. To check your personal voicemail, press the envelope icon on your phone. This gives you access to messages left directly at your extension. If it's your first time accessing voicemail, you'll go through a quick setup process, which includes recording your name, a personal greeting, and setting a password. At the end of the setup, you'll be asked to create a voicemail password. Be sure not to use your extension number as the password. If you do, the system will prompt you to repeat the setup process the next time you log in. If you need to access a different mailbox, like the general voicemail, you can do that by dialing the GenVM icon on the Softkeys or *98.
Password.
You'll then be prompted to enter the mailbox number and the password. For example, if the general mailbox number is 199, you would dial *98 or the Gen VM button, and then enter 199 followed by the password. When you need to place someone on hold, just press the hold button. You can return to the call by pressing the same button or the flashing line key. To complete a blind transfer, press the transfer button, then dial the number or extension, and press transfer again. For an attended transfer, press the transfer button, dial the number, and then press attended transfer. This will allow me to talk to the party on the other line before completing the transfer by pressing the transfer key. To start a conference while on a call, press the conference call button here. The other party will be placed on hold while you dial a number. When the other party answers, press conference again to bring everyone together. Also, on your side of the call, you can now hang up and they'll stay together. If you need to mute your phone during a call, you can press the mute button. The person on the other end won't be able to hear you, but you'll still be able to hear them. Press mute again to unmute yourself. The volume buttons on the bottom right of the phone let you adjust the ringer volume when the phone is idle or the call volume while you're on a call. To access your phone's built-in phone book, press the center button on your navigation wheel while on the home screen. From there, use the navigation wheel to highlight contacts and select it. Then, local phone book. You can browse saved contacts or add new ones. To view your call history, press the History soft key. You'll see a list of recent, incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Use the navigation wheel to scroll and press the center button to call someone back. That wraps up our tutorial on the Grandstream GRP2624. From setup to everyday features, you now have everything you need to use your Lightspeed voice system with confidence. If you have questions, please give us a call at 877-97-VOICE or email us at help@lightspeedvoice.com. Thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice, where we're more than just talk.